Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. I am Priti teacher. Let's start the topic. Our topic name is animals in their surrounding, and at the end of this video you will be able to identify the different types of habitats of animals. Before moving ahead, observe the picture of an animal and identify the eating habits of that animal, means whether that animal is herbivore, carnivore or omnivore. Let's have a look. This is the picture of horse. Can you identify horse is herbivore, carnivore or omnivore? Yes, obviously horse is herbivore. Then this is the picture of tiger. Tiger? Tiger is carnivore animal. Then this is the picture of cat. Now identify. Yes, cat is omnivore. Then this is the picture of cow. Obviously cow eat grass and cow is herbivore animal. This is the picture of dog. So dog is omnivore animal. Students, we know that different animals are found in different places on the earth. You might have seen a camel living in a desert place, a fish living in river water or in the sea water, a polar bear living in polar region. The place where an animal lives, feeds and reproduces, it is called as habitat of that particular animal, isn't it? Habitat provides food, shelter and water to the animals. So students, what do you think? Do all the animals live and survive in the same habitat? And answer is no. Camel lives in desert, but we cannot find camel in sea water. We cannot find fish in desert, isn't it? So the animals, they need a particular habitat. Now take a look on the types of habitat. There are two main types of habitats. One is aquatic or water habitat. In water habitat, it includes salty water and fresh water like river water, pond water, etc. Second habitat is terrestrial habitat, or we can call it as land habitat. It includes forest, grassland, deserts, polar regions and mountains. Students, in 3rd and 4th standard, you have learnt what is meant by terrestrial animals, aquatic animals and arboreal animals. Let's recall it again, okay? Animals those live on land, they are called as terrestrial animals. An example is tiger, cow, etc. Animals which lives in water, they are called as aquatic animals. Example is fish, crocodile, turtle, etc. There are some animals which live on land as well as in water, and they are called as which animals? Amphibians. Example is frog and polar bear. Some animals that mostly live on tree, they are called as arboreal animals, okay? Example is monkey, ant, squirrel, etc. Some animals can fly as well, and they are called as aerial animals. Millions of years ago, dinosaurs were alive, but now they are extinct. The animals like fish, tiger, cow and so many animals, they had survived. Is there any magic that the dinosaurs extinct and we have survived? Oh no, there was no magic, isn't it? In order to survive in the unique surroundings, the animals has evolved with the different body structure and these features. Some feature is body coverings of animals, and let's know more about the body covering of the animals. Now have a look. A snail, a tortoise and an oyster, they have shell. What is shell? A shell had outer covering and it protects the soft bodies of an animal. Fish, they has overlapping scales which do not let water enter in its bodies. Do you know other than fish, snakes and lizards also have scales on their bodies. We know that birds have feather and feather helps the bird to fly in the air and it also keeps the body of a bird warm. Some animals have hairy body covering and it is called as wool, and wool keeps their body warm. Have you seen polar bear? How do they survive in the extreme cold condition? Any guess? Yes, they have thick fur on its body. This fur protects them from extreme cold. This was all about the body coverings of few animals. What about other animal? A zebra, it has a striped body which looks similar to the background where it lives, and it is called as camouflage. A porcupine has sharp needle-like spines called quills. Insects such as bees and ants, they have waxy and water-resistant water coverings called cuticle. Animals such as armadillos have hard armor-like plates that provides protection from animals. This was all about the habitat of animals and body coverings of the different animals. Have a good day, stay healthy and blessed. We are going to stop today's topic here.